JK and his wife Fiorella have finally moved into their bach at Waihi Beach.
You know, this bach for me has probably already exceeded all my expectations. Firella's made it amazing inside. It feels already like a home. You know, my goal is to spend more time here. You know, I think we've had an amazing time through COVID, but what COVID has taught me is that you can live differently and do things differently, so I would like to live here more. We've done a few houses now, and they say you need 6 houses to sort of get it, but there actually isn't anything that I would change in this house, so we probably should stop now, you know? For me, now that Mum's passed, to know that she was in that campground right there 73 years ago is really special. And one of the sayings in Māori, which I'd never learnt before, was ukaipo. And ukaipo actually means breastfeeding as the direct translation, but it actually means where you feel at home. And that's what I feel Waihi. When I come over the hill down into Waihi, I feel embraced, warm, and at home.